Joke lang. So, meron tayong circle guys, tapos meron tayong tangent, PQ, tapos yung secant na SR, tapos Q. Tapos given yung arc ng PS which is 190, yung arc ng PR that is 13x minus 7, tapos yung angle Q that is 5x minus 5. So, we're going to solve for the variable x. So, basically, meron naman tayong formula niyan na yung angle which is 5x minus 5 equals sa major arc yung 190 minus yung minor arc na 13x minus 7. So kailangan mo lang dyan ng parenthesis yung guys kasi kasama to eh. Then all over 2. Diba yun yung formula para makuha yung angle o yung formula mismo ng tangent secant. Then yun, ito na ginagawa natin. Gusto mo simplify mo muna to, or direkta na natin siya i-divide both by multiply both side by 2 para ma-eliminate na agad natin yung denominator. So bale yung ginagawa guys, cross multiply lang naman to, or distribute mo tong to nang ginawa natin kanina sa kabila. So big sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times 5x, that is 10x minus 2 times 5 is 10. So ganun gagawin, equals yung kabilang side naman maging 190 yon. Then distribute natin yung sign. So yung negative times 13x, that is negative 13x. Negative times negative is positive. So meron ka tayo na 7 doon. So ngayon, combine like terms lang. So 10x minus 10 equals, combine natin yung 190 tsaka 7 kasi pare silang constant. May 197 minus 13x. So pagsamahin natin yung mga may variables. So, meron tayong 10x. Then, lipat natin yung negative 13x. Magiging plus 13x. Equals 197. Then, yung negative 10 pag nilipat, magiging plus 10 siya. So, ngayon, yung 10x plus 13x, that is 23x. Equals 207. So, magiging 207. So, divide lang by 23. Ang value ng x is what? Ang sagot? 9? Ang tama. So 9 times 23, 7, 20. Galing ah. That's correct. Very good. So kung papahanap sa atin guys yung PR natin, ano yung value ng PR? Yung arc PR natin, kung isasabay natin ihanapin, that will become what? 110. So 13 times 9 kasi siya, then minus 7. So basically magkakaroon tayo ng 13 times 9, that is 7 to 11. So magkakaroon tayo ng minus 7. So magiging 110. So basically yung Q natin guys, yung angle Q, kung meron ka ng 110 doon, ilan pa yung kulang para maging 180? Ay, hindi pala siya tangent. Sorry. So, kunin natin yung 5x. So, 9 yung ano pala. Then, minus 5. So, magiging 45 minus 5 is 40. Akala ko tangent. Pero pag tangent yung guys, gagawin mo lang tong 180, total nila. Anyways, ito yung sagot, 9. Kasi x yung hinahanap. Gets yun.